Just got to the Queen Bee Craft Night with Mint Studio at this gorgeous, gorgeous place called Flower Hill. I think that's what it's called. In Carlsbad. Is that where I am? Anyway, I'm in San Diego County. It took 2.5 hours to drive here. It was way too long in traffic on a Saturday afternoon, but I'm very happy. What's this place called? Flower Hill?
Yes.
Okay, and there's Jamie. And look at how pretty it is.
Where's your mom, Amy?
She's getting this stuff right now. There she is. She's coming around the corner. There's Heidi and Mommy bringing in the stuff.
How are you? That's okay now. I'm fine. Good to see you.
We had all these other bags and stuff that we brought up. And then they went to the car to finish grabbing those. And we're just going to get set up. Mommy and Heidi are setting up the little shop table. And then ladies are showing up.
Just be a minute, girl.
I'm like, you matched the hummus to our decor. Alright, so Emily and Patchouli are here. We just took a little group photo and Patchouli has my book! Yay! Awesome! Wait, is this your Hobonichi?
Yeah.
I brought mine. You wanna see mine?
I saw you do your video on your cousin, and I'm like, cousin is mine next year.
See, and I see this and I'm like, oh, this would be so much easier.
I just,
So cute.
yeah, I just became a doodler this year. I'm
Okay.
like, I can't doodle, but I can.
Yeah.
I'm
Yes.
doing good with doodling.
That's great. And you yeah?
The dog ate the book.
Oh yeah, this is my memory keeping. My puppy.
It literally
what are you
happened,
gonna- Yeah, so,
Aw.
and I put a map in it. I laminated a map. And yeah, it's my
Amazing.
fun book. So I don't do it every day, but I,
Yeah, I don't either.
when
But
I am,
I'm
I,
going to catch up.
me
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
If I don't write in it, then I'll just color in it. Or
Yeah.
I'll use pictures.
Or just do a quote.
Yeah.
I did that and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so much easier.
I know.
Maria just did this adorable cactus out of washi tape. I can't even take it. So cute. So cute. What'd you get? What'd you get? Wow! Yay! Abby is adorable, and look at what she did. A little washi tape, and that's her cover. And then she was at the craft night, printed this photo, and I just signed her book. How adorable!
These were so fun.
Right?
Very fun.
So therapeutic. Yes, totally.
Like, are you done yet? I'm like, oh, I just do one more really quick. And I totally see doing this in front of the TV.
Yeah, the stitching?
Yeah.
Yep. bashful. Oh, there we go. We are done. That was such a fun night. I hope you enjoyed coming along. Give this video a thumbs up. If you liked it, make sure you're subscribed and leave any questions or comments below. Wasn't this gorgeous? Oh, by the way, that thing's coming down. And the top is so pretty, right? Looks pretty like that.
Yeah, and you should get it like this way too, because it's like a waterfall. It's like a great backdrop.
Wow.
That's a good idea. Use it as a backdrop.
Yeah, reuse it.
Now you can use it.
So pretty.
That looks. It almost looks like a great idea. Like a party dress or something, you know. With
It's
the
so pretty.
layers of the fringe. It's really pretty.
Hi, pretty flowers. Hi, pretty flowers. Just like that. All gone.